Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is my friend Mason's 97 GMC 1500. So we're going to be doing quite a bit to this truck over the summer, hopefully. I just want to give you guys a quick little walk around on the truck. He's pretty new to the car scene, and he has the perfect truck to start out with. It's got, the best part about this truck is it's a beautiful, clean truck, but it has flaws, which means it has so much potential. I mean, look at this thing. Some of the emblems already shaved, the trim's all shaved off. And you'll see right here, his biggest pet peeve with the truck right now is how the bed sits. We're gonna start out by putting the same size tire that's in the front in the rear. I also really love these Kragers on this truck. It's just such a nice look for this thing. But you know, there's a lot of little dings and dents and stuff. Kind of playing with ideas on, you know, what could be possible with the truck. I think the end goal is you want to bag the truck correct and put 20s, which will just look so sick. Like, this truck has just got so much potential. But you'll see in this video, we're gonna put that front lip on the truck. This is filmed a couple days after the previous video. We just fixed the door handle. And like I said, there's just small things, like from being parked under a tree and everything. There's dents and stuff everywhere. But it is an Arizona truck, so like I said, I mean, it is as clean as it gets. But we're gonna have to take some more videos of this thing come summertime. Right now, as you'll see, I mean, he just keeps his truck so clean. The only reason it's messed right now is because we're about to put some interior glow inside the truck now. So we're gonna throw that in, and I'll make a video on how we're gonna do it. All right, so today we are here with Mason's truck, and all we're gonna do is we're just gonna throw this new front lip he got on it. And honestly, we're just gonna zip tie it on. It's a factory lip, so should be real easy to throw on too. But I'm pretty excited. It's gonna make this truck look a little bit better. It's gonna look really sick on there. So our strategy for this, since we don't have a jack right now, is we started all of the zip ties. Now we're gonna lift it up, and I'm just gonna pull on each one, tighten it up, and snip the backs of them. And right there we go. That's it all tied up. I mean, it looks really good on this truck. It's a simple, you know, cheap mod that does a lot for the truck. And I mean, before you knock the zip ties, that thing's not going anywhere. So this is like his first build, so we're really trying hard to, you know, do what we can. And one of the things that's wrong with the truck right now is just this exterior door handle. It's just broken off, so we're gonna peel that out and see what's wrong with it. One thing I love about this kid's truck is just, it is so clean. It is such a beautiful, like, it's just a time capsule of the 90s. But we're gonna take this door panel off and see what's wrong with that door handle. Man, so we have everything kind of just comfortably resting right now. We're taking a few minutes. You have to take a lot of stuff apart just to get this door panel off. It's kind of crazy, but we are almost there. All we have to do now is figure out how to get this handle off and replace it. As easy as that. So just like that, everything's put back together. We've got our handle put on. It stays on now. We're good. The last one literally had no bolts holding it in. It was just busted. So that was kind of the problem of why it wouldn't open and close properly. So we're all set there, and now we're gonna go to the next thing. So as you'll see here, we have our interior glow, and we're gonna set this up inside the truck. So we're at the back of the truck right now. As you can see, we've mapped out our underglow. It comes in sets of 2. So right from the cigarette lighter, there's a remote, and it runs to one piece, and then it's connected to your second. So my plan is, we're gonna run these pieces of like interior glow up in the dash, so they illuminate in front of your feet. They're gonna go below the carpet, and then they're gonna run to the back of the seat. Back here, we're gonna make a small incision in the carpet, feed the underglow through it, and then this is gonna mount somewhere up here so you don't see it. So that's our plan. We're gonna try to start running these and getting them installed. So to show you guys while we're under here, I'm thinking we're going to attach this piece of lighting to the harness bar on the inside. So that works out great. And then we're gonna rerun the rest of the wire down here and through the carpet. Oh, it's becoming a little messy now, but as you can see the lights coming in through down there. This one's strapped almost right underneath the glove box. Then I gotta cut the zip tie. I ran our wire behind this kick panel. It's gonna go down through here, and it goes under the carpet with a slight incision and this is gonna sit obviously upside down underneath this seat. So we're gonna go tuck the other side and put our panels back down. We've gotten the underglow underneath each seat in the back, and now we have it running under both sides of the front. So I think that's a win in our book. We're gonna clean up the truck and close up for the day. All right, guys, we have the interior glow all done in the truck now. We're gonna wrap things up today. If you wanna see some more content on the OBS Chevy, let us know. We got a lot more plans and projects for this truck coming up ahead. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and push the notification bell. Thanks so much.